Hello everyone, welcome back to Rafael Cooking Style. I have shown you how to cook arepas, empanadas, typical Venezuelan food, traditional food, everyday food. Like I explained, our arepa is like the bread for every day, as well as the empanadas. But I don't have in mind that I have a specific video how to make the dough for it. So here we go. I will show you how to make the dough. It's very easy, but you need a little bit patient and just follow the steps I'm gonna show you just right now. So hope you like it. So it's very easy. For the beginning, we just need water, salt and sugar for empanadas, and only salt for arepas. In this case, there we have a sweet arepas, but it's another story. Yeah, it's a little bit different because we add some whole sugar cane and stuff like that. Yeah, but just add a little bit of water, a little bit of salt. Start with a little bit of water if you don't know how the quantity works for it, because it will be too much if you add too much flour, and then we will have you will need to add extra water. It will be difficult. Yes, just start like 1 cup of water if you are doing it for yourself only, and just try to find a quantity, because it depends on how thick you like the arepas and how big, etc. Yeah, so you have to knead it. Just dissolve the flour as I am doing it. If you notice, I didn't add too much. It's very liquid. It's very, it's very liquidly the dough right now. I just want to add it just a little bit and dissolve all the flour. We don't want anything, just flour and water, but really kneaded. Yeah, just mix it. You see, again, a little bit. It's very important to do it little bit by little bit. Yeah, just mix it, yeah, from the bottom to the top, on the sides, everywhere. Yeah, we just want it like that. Just mix it. This is very important, because this process will let the flour take the water, and then you have to let it rest, and it will have another consistency. Yeah, this is not regular flour. Yeah, this is just corn. Yeah, then you let it rest like 5 minutes, and you see it's still sticky on my hands. So I add a little bit more of flour and knead. Yeah, you see my hands are still sticky. Yeah, very sticky. So it needs a little bit more of rest, and this period of rest is around 2 or 3 minutes. Yeah, just like that. It's not that complicated. Yeah, the first rest you can do it like 5 minutes, and it really settles down the water, and you really know the texture you're gonna have. So after that, we add a little bit more, not that much. Yeah, just follow the same process. Just knead from the bottom to the top, on the sides. Everywhere you have to dissolve and get all the dough together. Just mix. You see, my hands are still sticky, so this is just still a sign that it still needs a little bit more of flour. Yeah, but anyhow, in this case, you have to let it rest just 1 minute more, and after 1 minute more, you see it's just kind of there, but still need a little bit more. This is just a kind of feeling. Yeah, it depends how you like. You can now use it like it is, but it's just a feeling how you I cannot explain it. But as you saw it, my hands were quite clear from dough, so it could be okay. But I just add a slightly touch. Yeah, just like that. And now we are just ready to go. Now you can let it rest. Start making arepas, start making empanadas. And so I hope you like it. There is a bunch of recipes how to make different empanadas or arepas and stuff them with this recipe from the flour, the dough I'm using it. So remember, this is 100% gluten-free, and I hope you like it and you enjoy the channel. Take care and cheers.